Hello everyone. Today we are going to start the seventh chapter of English grammar, that is adjectives. So, what are adjectives? So, adjectives are the words that tell us more about a noun or a pronoun. That means adjectives gives us the brief description of a noun or a pronoun. They are also known as the describing words. For example, Ujjain is an ancient city. Here the word ancient is a adjective because it is describing about the city, that the city is ancient. Second example, Khushi is a clever girl. That means the word clever is an adjective because it is describing a girl. So the words clever and ancient are describing words, or we can say they are adjectives. So as we have completed the definition of adjectives, now we are going to learn about some features of adjectives. So first feature is adjective can occur before a noun. That means adjectives can come before a noun. Like for example, a strong rope. Here, rope is a noun and strong is a adjective. Second feature of adjective is adjectives can occur after a verb like is, am, was, were, been. For example, the rope is strong. Here the word is a verb and strong is an adjective. So we have used a adjective after a verb. Third feature is most adjectives can come after the adverb very. That means adjectives can come after the word very. For example, very intelligent. So here very is an adverb and intelligent is an adjective. Fourth rule, some of the adjectives can be used for comparison also. For example, Ruchika is the smartest student in a class. So as we have studied that there are 3 degrees of comparison. First is positive, second is comparative, and third is superlative. So we can use adjectives for comparisons also, and they can be used in all the forms of degree. That means all the 3 forms of degrees. Like so in this example we have used superlative form of degree. So as we have finished the 4 features of adjectives, so now we are going to start the next topic, that is types of adjectives. So mainly there are 3 types of adjectives. First is possessive adjective. That means possessive adjective shows us the possessions or belongings. Like for example, my watch, their lens, our friends, all these are the example of possessive adjectives. So my, ours, your, his, her, it, there are some of the possessive adjective. Second is demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives shows or point out something, and there are 4 types of demonstrative adjectives. They are this, that, these, those. So this and these are used to point out the object which are near to us, and that and those are used for the objects that are far away from us. So the third form of adjective is interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjectives asks a question about the noun. And mainly there are 3 types of interrogative adjectives. They are which, what, and whose. So with this we have completed the 3 types of adjectives. Now we are going to learn that how we can identify adjectives. Adjectives are usually identified by looking at their function in their context. However, there are some words ending through which we can identify adjectives, and they are able, like comfortable, capable, breakable. That means we can identify adjectives by the words which are ending with the word able. Now, second is the word which ends with al. So, the words which end with al are optional, seasonal, grammatical. All these are the words that ends with al. So these are also the adjectives. Now the words which end with full, like colorful, playful, beautiful, they are too known as the adjectives. Now, ick, the words which end with ick, that means scientific, specific, these are also termed as adjectives. Now, next is ish, that is ish. So, the words which end with ish, that is boyish, reddish, are also considered as adjectives. And the words that ends with less, like useless, careless, are also considered as adjectives. And the words that ends with us, that is delicious, courageous, are also termed as adjectives. And the last one is the words that end with y, like dirty and sleepy, are termed as adjectives. So we can say that the words which ends with able, earl, full, ick, ish, less, us, y are all termed as adjectives. So all these are the hints through which we can identify that whether the word is adjective or not. So I hope the topic adjectives is clear.